Hello guys, Assam geography questions. What is the capital city of Assam? Options: A. Dispur, B. Guwahati, C. Jarhat, D. Dibrugarh. And correct answer is Dispur. And next question: the longest river in Assam is options: A. Barak, B. Manas, C. Brahmaputra, D. Subansiri, and Katansri is Brahmaputra. And next question: which national park in Assam is a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Options: A. Arang National Park, B. Kaziranga National Park, C. Manas National Park, D. Dibru Saikhowa National Park, and correct answer is Kaziranga National Park. And next question: Majuli, the world's largest river island, is located in which river? Options: A. Barak, B. Subansiri, C. Brahmaputra, D. Dhansiri, and correct answer is Brahmaputra. And next question: which is the highest peak in Assam? Options: A. Neelachal Hill, B. Dambuk, C. Hempiu Pet, D. Saramati, and correct answer is Hempiu Pet. And next question: the Barak Valley in Assam mainly includes which of the following districts? Options: A. Dibrugarh Tinsukai, B. Kachar, Karimganj, Hailakandi, C. Kamrup, Nalbari, D. Jarhat and Shivasagar, and correct answer is Kachar, Karimganj, Hailakandi. And next question: the Assam Arunachal Pradesh border is demarcated by which mountain range? Options: A. Patkai Hills, B. Khasi Hills, C. Lashe Hills, D. Garo Hills, and correct answer is Patkai Hills. And next question: which of the following rivers is not a tributary of the Brahmaputra? Options: A. Dhansiri, B. Subansiri, C. Barak, D. Manas, and correct answer is Barak. And next question: Assam shares its international border with which countries? Options: A. Nepal, B. Bhutan, C. Bangladesh, D. Both B and C, and correct answer is both B and C.